Hello there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy with 911 Studios, and today we are talking about the best breast pumps on all of Amazon. And of course, that includes the Lansinoh Signature Pro Double Electric Breast Pump. You guys, this has an LCD screen. It's super easy to use. And what I love about this one in particular is that there are so many different controls. You have 8 different levels of setting for intensity and also 3 different styles, so it really mimics baby's feeding patterns, and it's going to give you the best results for each different feeding sessions. This is something that you can get really in tune with and tell what your body responds best to, and it really makes you an active part of the breastfeeding process. Even when you're pumping, you feel like you're really in control when you are using this system. It also is super comfortable. It allows you to get the best seal while still maintaining comfort on your skin. It's an amazing product. There are so many great reviews. Everyone seems to love it. You can get it with Amazon Prime, so you have that 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can buy it with confidence and feel really good about it. This is a great product. It's very reasonably priced. You can put it in your cart today or put it on your registry. It's gonna be a great choice. Highly encourage you guys to do this.